What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Just to remind you all, I am a financial student. Do not say a word. Don't listen to a thing I say. Do not listen to a thing I say. Oh, fantastic. How has a financial student got here then, hey? How have we done this? How have we done this? Right, I don't even study finance. That's Josh. Josh studies finance. I study business and management, and I'm here doing stocks. We love to see it, ladies and gentlemen. How are we all doing? I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Sell wall complete, ladies and gentlemen. We have broke the 76-cent sell wall. Yes, 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 yes. It feels so good. We have been stuck in this sell wall for so long. Now let's go back in time, shall we? And this was some DD I drew up a little while ago. This was on the 28th of May. As you see, we got stuck at the 74-cent mark. We couldn't push past that sell wall. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we have just officially broke the sell wall. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Michael, NAKD to the moon indeed. That is a massive step in NAKD achieving their goal. That 76 sell wall, ladies and gentlemen, that was a big sell wall. Just so we're all clear, that was huge and we have just broke it. So right now, the sky is the limit from here on out, in all honesty. Because, I mean, we may see some retraction from the hedge funders, let's be honest. No one can predict that. Like, it's going to happen at some point, right? But like on paper, now we've got past that massive sell wall that the hedge fund has put in place to keep us below that 76-cent mark. I think it's only going to go up from here unless they have another sell wall. Let's have a look at the second-hand data. What are we looking at right now? I mean, yeah, we're looking good. We're above that 76-cent wall. And we are looking in a very strong position. Is everything fine, by the way? Do you want me to turn down the music a little bit? Yeah, the music's probably a bit loud, isn't it? Oh, let's turn it down. Let's turn it down. All right. I know. Captain, what are we saying? I got a haircut for the occasion. I knew. Some people call me a stock magician. Some people call me a stock fortune teller. I cut my hair for this occasion. I knew this was going to happen. Illuminati confirmed. Turn the bloody music. Okay. Do you want to get the funky music on? What are we saying? Funky music, or should we just keep it off? Off or some funky music. What are we saying, chat? I know, Yannick. Absolutely amazing day for NAKD and 100% on AMC, man. That is nuts. Papa Gorilla did tell me a while back that AMC would rip, and here we are. Hey, Papa Gorilla's the main fortune teller here, isn't he? Oh my good gracious me. SNDL 13% up. GameStop 13% up. NAKD 23%. Fantastic day. Look, we have gone from 63 cents all the way up to 72 cents, and then we saw a bit of resistance. We broke the 76-cent sell wall, and I think that we are now on the road to success again. So that is some beautiful news. Looking at what are we saying? AMC, just disgusting day. I mean, we all know what AMC's doing today. AMC was a rocket ship, right? It was literally, the Frank Sinatra. I'm not going to sing it because I'm going to get copyright because I'm so good at singing. But oh my God, fly me to the moon, ladies and gentlemen. Fly me to the moon. It has been a beautiful day for the stock market. Right, so one thing that I would say is right now my portfolio is currently double. I have invested currently £671 in my trading account, and thanks to AMC and NAKD, it is now double. And I'm holding the line. I am hodling. It's so tempting, but I am not selling. I will not sell, right? We hold the line in this household. I'll literally, actually, can I get my training count up? Let's have a look. How has everyone's day been today? I'm sure it's fantastic, right? I'm sure you're all having a fantastic day. We are, I mean, it's been nuts. It has been absolutely nuts. My portfolio right now, thank you to NAKD with the £200 profit right now. We have AMC with a £522 profit. I am currently in profit by £716. There it is, chat. There it is. No paper hands. No, Stephen. Paper hands are not allowed in this chat. If anyone's a paper hand, you're getting banned, mate. I'm sorry. You're gone. You're gone. Yeah, what's good, Papa? Papa is Hulk Green. We love that. Papa is transforming as we speak. He's getting his muscles out. He's going, "Argh!" And yeah, stock price is going to shoot up. Papa, I want you to fly out with your Hulk arms to NAKD headquarters and pull Justin out of his cave and get him on the Risk On or Trading Fleet podcast. It's got to happen at some point, right? We've been waiting for so long. I want it to happen already. But Jason came into the chat today and said that he is going to try and get an Australian news presenter. I have no idea what it is. Is it a journalist or something like that? And he wants to get an interview, and they've apparently been following the NAKD story. I think that's a bit risky, in all honesty. We all know what some journalists are like. I'm hoping they're good. I'm hoping they're good people. Not going to slate the stock, but we all know, you know, these journalists, you can't trust all of them, right? You can't trust them. But hopefully this person knows her stuff, and yeah, it's going to be interesting, right? Working on it. We love that. Hold NAKD, hold for 230. Yes, please. 230 would be absolutely phenomenal. We would love $230 in here. So, all right, theoretically, right, if NAKD, or when NAKD hits $230, chat, everyone calculate how much profit you would be in. I'm going to do it right now. I'm interested to know how many shares everyone's got as well. 30 times. Not too easy. So I would be in profit by almost $305,000. That's nuts. That is absolutely insane, right? Like, imagine that. Waking up one day and being £305,000 richer. Or dollars, sorry. Yeah, I hope they don't point out that NAKD is purely a meme stock. It is way more than that. And I actually get annoyed when people call it a meme stock. You know, I am going to, next time I'm on the Risk On podcast, I am actually going to correct Jason and Todd on that, because in my opinion, this isn't an ordinary meme stock. They did acknowledge that, at least on the show. They have said that NAKD has the largest upside potential, but they do call it a meme stock. And I disagree with that statement, right? I do disagree. Yo, 997,000. Oh my god. 5.8 million? Oh. Imagine, Yannick. Imagine. I'm captain. Mate, imagine just waking up and being a millionaire. Like, just overnight. That'd be crazy, right? But yeah, no. Next time I'm on the Risk On podcast, I will say that NAKD is actually more than just a meme stock, because it is. Like, I know we have a community, we have a large backing, we have a large following, but it's not a meme stock because we see an upside potential. We are long NAKD holders. I know some people are in it just for the squeeze, purely for the squeeze, but me personally, I'm in it for a stock as a long-term hold. I see potential in the company. I don't give it. I don't care. I'm on YouTube. I can't swear, but I don't care if NAKD never squeezes. I'm sure it will, but I don't care if it doesn't, because I believe in the brand and I believe in the message and I believe in the company profile, right? I believe it's going to go really, really well. Do you think we will see $1.50 before Friday? Who knows? We have, Murat, today we did break the $76 sell wall, which is beautiful stuff. You know, this is a big landmark for NAKD. We have been stuck in this like low, we've been stuck in this very low profile for so long, right? We've been stuck below this 76 cent mark for so long. So the fact that we have now gone above it, above and beyond, it's a great sign. Yo, what's good, Scott? How's it going, mate? Welcome to the stream. You're a new face. I haven't seen you around. Debt free with 270 million in funds. Yeah, it's million, by the way, not billion. But yeah, Scott, it's insane, honestly. Like, there's such a big upside potential for NAKD. What I would say as well is the fact that they're going for a pure e-commerce platform. I know I say this every time and it's probably a broken record now, but e-commerce is the future. An e-business model, that is what we need. That is what's going to prevail in the future, right? And companies like ASOS, Zaful, Urban Outfitters have all become successful through this e-commerce platform, right? So, you know, we're just going to have to keep going. We're going to have to just keep plowing on. I want NAKD to really implement their e-commerce platform. And I want you all to check the price tag of ASOS, of Urban Outfitters, and look at how much they are trading at. Now, I'm not saying NAKD is going to get up to their level as an e-commerce brand, but they could. They could. And if they have the right team around them to do that, you know, they've got the cash. They've got the cash to be able to pull something like that off. Are you still paper-handed? You sell with a 900k profit? Ooh, that's a good question, Captain. That is a very, very, very good question. Now, it depends on my financial position, right? And I know, I know I'm going to get hate for this in the chat. It depends. Like, so clearly you have you have a fair bit of money to have 900,000 profit. So for you, 900,000 profit may not be a much money, right? It depends on people's financial positions, in my opinion, right? And how much your initial investment is. So say, for example, my investment went from, like, my price target for NAKD long term, I said, without a squeeze, obviously, if it does squeeze, it's going to be a lot more. But without a squeeze, I estimate NAKD to eventually hit around, I said in a video, $30, and I'm going to stick with that. I think $30 as a long-term price target, without a squeeze, ladies and gentlemen, without a squeeze, because that would be just behind the likes of Urban Outfitters. And I think that's a realistic target. And, you know, I mean, how much of an upside is that right now? Massive upside, right? Which colour Lambo are you going to buy? Which colour Lambo am I going to buy? You know what? I think I'm a bit basic, but I do quite like black cars. I may go red. Who knows? But yeah, no, disgusting day for NAKD today. Absolutely disgusting. Why did NAKD rise today? Mate, it's had a large amount of volume in the stock today. I mean, look at the volume today for trading. 353 million shares have changed hands today. That is crazy. Does it really? I have been investing £200 a month. I'm an average working person with 2 kids, a wife, and a mortgage. Yeah, literally. Mate, Captain, you put that right there. You see, if I was in a position like that, I might sell, in honesty. For 900k, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, again, it all depends on your financial position. Because, for example, right, say Todd Old, right, had 900k profit, right, on a stock. To him, that's pennies. I mean, he wipes his, you know, with that. So, yeah. Yeah, buy more in the dip. Wait for a dip and buy more. Exactly. Have you seen AMC? I'm up 15 grand. Congratulations, Sam. Good stuff. Good stuff, Sam. I'm like I said, I am so happy for anyone who has found new wealth with AMC, honestly. I mean, I know it's not locked in yet. You probably haven't sold. You're hodling, which is what we like to see. We like seeing people strong. I am also hodling, definitely not as much as you, but I'm hodling as well. My 13.98 shares of AMC, because the rest of it is invested in NAKD. But yeah, so for example, right, So although I've only got a little amount of shares, right, my current portfolio in AMC is currently £536. 530. Yo, Papa Gorilla. Yo, with the $50. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you. Buy more NAK. I will. Hey, we gotta buy it before the rocket ship, right? We have to. Yo, Papa, thank you so much. You've been giving us so much love, and I can't thank you enough, honestly. And for anyone in the chat, honestly, you don't have to donate. Like, your time is enough in the chat. Like, you know, I'm just a business and management student. What do I know, right? I'm just trying to give you all a good analysis of what I think of the stock, and I'll let you all make your own judgments. And I'm just here to put all the facts on the table and give you my judgment on things. But thank you so much, Papa. It means the world, honestly. But yeah, honestly, like today, AMC has been absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts. Like, have we ever seen a day like this in the stock market, apart from, you know, your GME and your Volkswagen squeeze? Because AMC, right, chat, I want you all to understand, right? I want you all to understand, this right here is not even a squeeze. This isn't a squeeze. This is a gamma squeeze, right? Okay, so it is a form of squeeze, but it's not a proper short squeeze. And I'm going to show you why, right? Oh, for anyone who doesn't know, be sure to follow the Trading Armada Twitter. Get the plug in. I do tweet quite a lot. I do enjoy tweeting, and I'm on Twitter way more. So if you want to reach out to me, Twitter and the Telegram is probably where you're going to find me the best. Looking at Fintel. Let's go to AMC real quick. And yeah, Sam Conling, love that. Michael, yeah, I appreciate that, Michael. Thank you so much. Michael as well. You're all going, man. I love you all so much. Hedgies haven't covered yet. I know it hasn't. I'm about to show the chat now. It is so funny. It is absolutely so funny. Yeah, I appreciate that, Papa. Thank you. Yeah, for anyone who hasn't already, like, please hit the like button. It means the world. It helps get the stream out there to more people. So, you know, the more likes, the merrier. And, you know, it's crazy. I appreciate you all so much. Let's quickly go to the short interest of Fintel. I'm not a big fan of Fintel, but we are going to go through it anyway. So Fintel, so the short shares available has gone up in AMC very recently. It's gone from 90 to 9,000. I saw it earlier at 90. I've just to let you know, I have recorded a video of AMC. Right, I'll get to that in a sec, mate. So the short borrow fee rate has gone up slightly, I believe. I think it was 11.08 before, so it has gone up a tad. Someone correct me on that if I got that wrong. As you see, short volume ratio, 19.35. And that was yesterday's short volume ratio. And currently today, the short volume ratio is again 19%. So, with that being said, that proves to me that they haven't covered. Like, where have they covered? They haven't. No, it's fine, Diego. Don't worry about it, mate. It's fine. Yeah, mate. Honestly, that you see as well. I just want to put this out there as well. It does not include data from other brokers or dart pools, right? This is Fintel, right? So they have not included data from dart pools or other brokers, which is huge, right? That is absolutely massive. The fact that they have not used dart pool data in this, because as we know, NAKD is one of the biggest dart pool stocks going. It had something like 4.3 billion dart pool volume last time that I saw that data. And AMC as well had 2.3 billion dart pool shares. I'm not sure. Oh, has it hit 80? Oh, lovely. And also as well, like there's no, like, now we've got through the 76-cent sell wall. You see, like, it's quite clear from here. So, you know, until the hedge funders get some more shorts, we should be good for a little bit. Yeah, it's looking good today, boys. We're looking good. And girls. Any girls are there as well. Do you believe in news from the company? Yes, I do. Now, Murat, I'll get to your first question. So, why did NAKD rise today, you may ask? Right. So, what happened with NAKD? It was nothing to do with short shares. What it was because the meme stocks, I know I said NAKD is not a meme stock, but some people put it in that bracket, right? But again, it is more than that, right? But I'm just going to put it in the context so people understand it. NAKD is associated with the likes of GameStop, SNDL, and AMC, right? And if you look at the news section as well, it's always sort of compared with these sorts of stocks, right? And I'll just quickly put it up on the screen here so you all can see. It was here, right? So, again, GameStop, Naked Brands, COS, Plantier, Bed, like all of these are stocks with high short volume interest, right? So what happened today is we saw a massive amount of volume in AMC. And because AMC has now, well, it's at such a high price, people are now probably looking for the next big thing, right? And what's the next big thing? This fella right here, eh? What are we saying? NAKD has the next highest short volume interest. And as you see, we are constantly rising because we've seen a massive amount of volume. Actually, funnily enough, AMC's volume today, currently 717 million, and NAKD's is almost 400 million, right? So we are looking very, very strong on the volume front. We have seen a lot of shares change hands today, and that's consequently been able to break the 76 cent wall, and we have been able to see a nice amount of price action today. I think we'll see easily $1 tomorrow. If we continue in this trend, yes, $1 is definitely on the cards. And to be honest, how long we got? No, not today. But potentially as well, we have to remember pre-market and post-market. A lot of price action is done in there. Now, whether that be positive or negative, we don't know. But we have seen a lot of price action happen within that sort of bubble, right? 81 cents, $1 today. I mean, we've got, how long? We have currently around 16 minutes for that to happen. But again, pre-market, I'm interested to see what happens in the post-market. If post-market stays bullish, we may hit $1 in the post-market, right? We are in such a bullish flag right now. I mean, doing like due diligence on this is very, very difficult because of the price action we've seen. Like if we do this, right? So as you can see here, this is a pretty strong level of support. We have 1, 2, 3, well, almost 3, 4, 5 touch points of support. Very, very strong support structure. And at the top, as you see, we're in a very bullish canal right now. You sort of see. So, you know, we got, I mean, we'll count that, right? So, I mean, we did see a slightly false break there, but it's fine. So we saw, so 1, 2, 3 levels of resistance. So this is sort of the structure which I'm getting at, and potentially if we break out of this here, we may see some more price action, in my opinion. Now moving on to the exponential moving average of NAKD, right? We are currently bullish. We are in the upper tiers of this exponential moving average chart. As well, the RSI, we're currently bullish. We got 91 91 on the RSI. That is disgusting. That's some beautiful stuff. What's AMC's RSI by any chance? AMC it almost hit 100 on the RSI. I swear 100's the max, isn't it? You can't go above 100. That's crazy. Ooh. Potentially breakout. Murat, are you talking about my average? So my average price currently is 56 cents is what I've averaged out to. Chat, we are seeing some beautiful price action today. Looking at AMC as well. So let's do a quick DD of AMC as well, whilst we're on the subject. So as you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 levels of support for AMC. And this is on a 5-minute chart, mind you. But we are currently in a flag, a bullish flag. So as you see, when we're sort of coming to the end of this flag. So it's going to be very interesting to see whether we're going to the bottom end of the flag, so we may go down. But potentially if we can see some nice price action in AMC, it may go up. That's what I'm getting at with the current movement. The exponential moving average of AMC, again, very bullish. Upper band again, all three. You've almost got a bullish cross here as well. MACD as well. MACD, again, another bullish cross. We love that. NAKD, has that seen a... Yeah, NAKD saw a... Yeah, NAKD's been bullish as well. That's beautiful stuff. Oh, here we go. Here we go, boys. Here we go. Oh, we love that. We love that. What did I say? All right, can I just say, is my DD not good? Like, did I not call that? As soon as it exited out of this, was that just, did I get lucky there, or was that just, or was that just good on my part? I did say as soon as we broke out of that resistance level, we'd see some price action. Oh my goodness gracious. You can't make that up though. You cannot make that up. That's insane. That's absolutely insane. Oh, I can't believe I got that so right. I did that live. I literally just done that live. Oh, right. Where do we think we're going to get at today? Oh, we're pushing 85 at the moment. That's nuts. Oh, what's my trading account on now? I mean, I shouldn't check because it will. Yeah, NAKD, I'm currently in a £250 profit round. Oh, are we coming back down again? I don't know. We may see it consolidate back at this line here, potentially. It could be a false breakout, but that is funny, though. How funny was that? Chat, you have to admit, right? That was a pretty good analysis for that to happen, right? As soon as we broke that level of resistance. that was some live DD with Sam. That actually paid off as well. RSI, what's the RSI looking? RSI is coming down. People are profit taking a little bit. That's alright. That's alright. But I'm still staying 90. Strong, very very strong. I want to see what happens with this candlestick here. Is it going to come back down or to be a false breakout, or is it going to stay up here and create a new level of resist or level of support? Very, very interesting stuff right there. We have seen we see a triple candlestick in green. So if this can follow suit, be lovely to see. Oh, and also AMC stayed in this flag as well. So for me, at the moment, in the current candlestick, AMC has to break $67.58 to see a bit of a move. Now, if I get that spot on, that is going to be insane, right? We love this. We love stocks. We love stocks. How is chat doing, everyone? What will the next news be from the company? Right, so with the current price action, right, I was really hoping that with the price action doing so well, we would see some positive PR to really, shoot up. But no such luck yet. But I do believe there will be some PR. Can I say? I think there'll be PR this month. There has to be PR this month, surely, right? I mean, how long do we... Actually, we have 180 days of compliance because apparently we qualify for some sort of extension. But yeah, that's going to be interesting, actually. It's interesting that we're seeing this sort of movement. Is the Nasdaq up or something? The Nasdaq must be bullish today, right? To see this sort of stuff. Yeah, Nasdaq's up by 1.51%. That's interesting. Yo, we got a new sub. Oh, we got a few subs. Yo, welcome to the stream, everyone. Hold on, let me go back and read some subs. William Heritage, thank you for the sub, and Elsa Al-Hashmi. Thank you very, very much for the sub. I appreciate you all. Sorry if I said your name wrong, by the way. I'm not a linguist. I'll try, but I'm not. Yeah, it could have been a false breakout. I don't know, but it shows, right? 85 could be the next resistance point potentially. Let me do a quick analysis here of this, right? That is funny though. I did call that like instantly, like as soon as it broke out. So it looks like. Again, I don't know. It doesn't really correlate with. You see, this is sort of the support structure here that we have to line up with. So like, a bit up. Okay, so about there, I think. So I think that 81 cents could be the next support structure. Honestly, I think 81 cents is the next sort of level to come back down to. Looking at this graph here, I think that's pretty lined up. I may be a little bit off, but yeah, I mean that looks about right. And because there's two levels, there's almost two touch points of support there. Oh, let me just bring that up one tab. There we go. So I think potentially this right here. So 81 cents 81 cents is why I believe it to be the support structure at the moment. But again, because we have seen a big increase, that it's difficult to really say what the support structure will be like. I'm hoping it just stays. I'm hoping like 81 cents is a strong support structure, because I'll take that. That's a lot better than where we were at. You know what? A couple minutes ago at 76 cents, try to break the wall. So, you know, happy days. We're looking good today. So that red candlestick stayed within this sort of graph. But again, this one's outside of the graph. It started outside, which is a great sign. So I think we're going to be in a bit of a bullish flag now. Just looking at this, at least. AMC 66. Now for AMC right now, again, I want it to be about 67.41 right now. You think the squeeze happens soon? Same here. I think that they're going to have to cover pretty soon, especially if we keep seeing price action like this, you know. Because NAKD today has broke that 76 cent wall, which is massive, and AMC as well. Like AMC has, like, I mean, it's gone way beyond what my expectations were today. So, you know, anything can happen to the stock market at the end of the day. Like, I believe that AMC is in quite a bullish flag right now, and as you can see, it's holding within that flag as well, with about 7 touch points of support. So, you know, AMC and NAKD are both looking very, very strong right now. NAKD's falling back down. Interesting. I mean, it's staying in this canal, though. I think as long as we stay in this canal, we should be good, because we're still raising up, you know? So I wouldn't panic at all. Oh, yeah. Wait, there was an ad of Moonfat. Oh my goodness. Home within 2 weeks. Yeah, that would be nice. That would be very, very nice. Oh, wouldn't you just love to wake up one day and look at the pre-market and just see it be like AMC $1,000, NAKD like $230? That's what we all said. Imagine the portfolio. You just be like, huh? It's just be insane. Personally, I think like NAKD as a whole has a much better upside potential, but I believe AMC is going to squeeze slightly harder than NAKD, in the sense that I think AMC has slightly more, although the dark pool volume is less. I mean, I think that it's been pounded a bit heavier, because I remember back in the day, right, AMC was trading at about $20, and the hedge fund has managed to manipulate that back down to around about $5, right? Around about $5. Whereas I think NAKD, it was was it a $1.80 chat? I think it was something like that. And they manipulated it down to 0.5 mark. I mean, again, some of it may have been sell-off, but, you know, it's been good today. It's been very, very nice. I appreciate you all stopping by, the way. Black Ops Breakers, you're new. I appreciate you stopping by, mate. How are we looking? Oh, and Black Ops Breaker for the sub. I appreciate that. Sorry, I missed it. I don't have my headset on, so I don't have my noti alert. I'm not sure about you, chat, but me personally, I prefer talking without a headset. 1 minute left, yeah. Judgment time. Wait, what are we in the post market? Is it gone? Oh, it has gone. Oh. And done, yeah. Wow. Are we going to see green in the pre-market? That is going to be the question. I knew this would happen. I literally... Look, chat, what did I say? AMC needs to get out of this. AMC may fall a bit now. Unless we get a bit of volume. I know, today was amazing. Absolutely amazing. Like, I'm curious, what's everyone's portfolios right now? I mean, like, obviously you don't have to say... Just give me a rough figure. You don't have to say exactly. Right now, my portfolio, for an initial £621 investment, is currently £1,370. Which equates to about... What's that, like $1,700 or something? Like, absolutely nuts. Oh, look at NAKD. We're getting some nice post-market action as well. $1 in post-market question mark? What we saying, chat? What we saying? We would love that. Oh, AMC's managed... Oh, can it stay in here? Can it stay? I may have just drawn... Yeah, I was slightly off with this, actually. A little bit. What was that? One... Yeah, you see, I was slightly under where I probably should have drawn that. So, we may just be alright with AMC. Yeah, it's just held up. Just about. We're holding on for dear life with AMC right now to stay in this flag. I wonder if NAKD can hit $1. Do you, chat, right? Put a one in the chat if you think NAKD is going to hit $1 in the post/pre-market, and put a 2 if you don't. Me personally, I'm putting a 1. You think 2? Scott's 1. I think me personally, I think I'm definitely. You can't be definite in the stock market, but if we continue in this bullish flag, or this bullish canal, sorry, we should hit $1, really. Unless we just mellow out, which is a possibility. Yo, Alexandru, welcome to the live stream. Welcome. Hope it does, though. Yeah, I mean, I think maybe $1 is a bit of a stretch, right? But I hope it does happen. Because if I wake up to a $1 portfolio, you better know I'm going to be streaming, right? You better know. Because that would mean my investment from 56 cents would almost be double. And I'm not going to sell, because I told you I'm never going to sell this stock probably, right? But it's going to be nice to see green, right? It'd be lovely to see green, actually. Oh, AMC's managed to stay in the flag. Can it test? Do you reckon it can test this again? What does AMC have to get to, roughly? So around 67, right? I'm a tad off with that again. But maybe not. Around 67.43 it needs to break. So, I mean, that is the stock market, you know, sort of just before the bell ended. You know, I think we've had a very positive day. There's no doubt about it in the trading, right? But it's going to be interesting to see what happens. Now, for anyone who doesn't know, I am going to have an AMC video up at, what time are we now? 9 o'clock. So if we say 10:30, yeah, 10:30 GMT, that would be 5:30 EST. Be sure to check that out because, you know, we saw a rocket ship with AMC, and I know a lot of you NAKT holders are probably invested in AMC as well. So, there we go. Be sure to check that out. And, yeah, thank you for watching. This will be Roy South from our train. Papa Gorilla, thank you very much for the $50 donation. It's very generous of you. Like I said, once again. And, yeah, everyone as well in the chat right now. Don't go. Before you all leave, right, I want you all to send some love over to the Risk On podcast and put in the chat Armada Raid, right? I'm going to put a link in the chat right now. And I want everyone to put in the chat, spam up Armada Raid, right? There we go. Everyone spam up the Risk On stream and put Armada Raid. That's all I need you all to do, right? Thank you all so much for watching. This will be Sam from our train. See you next video on the channel at 10:30. Don't be there. Take care, everyone.